Hello. I thought I'd show a quick video here of the fireTEK system and some of its features. I've been spending some time going through the various features and functions of the fireTEK system along with the new Android app. And what I'd like to show is that we could run a show with music without the controller. I've done some pyro musicals with this controller, done manual firing with the controller, but we're going to set this aside, and what we're going to do is set up this 48E as a master module. We're going to set up these two 48FX modules as slaves. This one here already has a script loaded into it. This script has some DMX lines in it, so I've got this par light connected to show that the script is actually running when we start it here. It's connected into this DMX output. And then we have this module here that we're going to set up along with this Android device, which is an old cell phone that has the FTKontrol app loaded onto it. We're going to set this up as an audio box. It's going to run the audio on this little speaker here, and that's going to all start up when we control the show from this module as a master. So first I'm going to hold the green advance button down and start it up. Continue to hold the button down. Okay, now we're going to give it an ID. In this case here, I'm going to go ahead and give it ID 5. 5 for no particular reason other than we've got a script loaded into this module here that's already set at ID 1. I figured I'd do this one as ID 2, and for no other reason than just a random number, I'll select this as ID 5. And now what we're going to do is hold down the blue button and do a quick select of the green button, and that's going to put this into master mode. So you see ID 5 with an M next to it is for master. It's telling us to power on the slaves. There's none connected right now. We've got no signal strength because nothing else is on for it to be connected. So go ahead and turn on these modules here. I'll go through their startup and test. Alright, you'll see that I've got a program loaded already, so it's got a script loaded. The script has DMX lines in it, so there's a D there. It's set for ID 1, and it's a slave. We've got a strong signal strength here. I'll point out I don't even have the antenna connected here, since these are just sitting on the table next to each other. Now for this one here, it doesn't have a script loaded into it. We're going to have to give it a unique ID. So go ahead and go to ID 2. And you'll see it went from independent to slave once it connected there. We got a strong signal strength. Here on our master module, we've got two slaves connected. So go ahead and go into test mode there. Alright, now on this module ID 2 here that's got the USB cord connected to it, we're going to start up the phone. I've got the FTKontrol app loaded. I'm going to accept the USB connection. Alright, and now what we're going to do is load the music. And we do this through the ES File Explorer. fireTEK, and here's our WAV file here. You see the file is loaded by showing the file name down in the bottom left, and when we've done this, it goes to audio box here on the app. We could test the audio file here if we pushed play, but we're just going to go ahead and put the system into ARM by holding down the green advance button. We're now in ARM. You'll see these 48FX modules, the screen's flashing, and we're going to go ahead and advance again into play. All right, going to go ahead and hit pause here. All right, I need to hit pause here from the master module, stop the show. But there it was successful, just to show that you can, with any Android device, with the FTKontrol app loaded, you can create an audio box and you can run the audio show. You can also control it by a module set as a master without the controller. Anyways, hope this was helpful. Hope everybody has a great day. Thanks.